I started with stream and we're doing the same thing as before, of course. Okay, here he goes. Man, I put an extension to remove his live chat. Looks like it didn't work, or maybe it's gonna work for the next video. Okay, so we were here. I was explaining how this is done. So let's just move on further. Yes, we got a reunion here. Now we've got this. We got everything to the second power, and we've got this. Now we equal it to 0 and solve quadratic. So 144, 2 minuses, 4 times 64, that's like 200 something. You did like 3 times 4 plus 444. So let me see what he did here. He wrote down 144 like 36 times 4, like that. And 4 times 64, he wrote it down like this. So he got 16 up front, and then 9 plus 16. So then he got 25 times 16. I mean, I guess that's like the easier option, but I don't think exactly. And now the square root of that's gonna be 5 times 4 and plus 20. That's like a geek way to solve it. I don't want to do it like that. Now we got 12 minus 20 divided by 2. And that's minus 4. Okay, so minus 20 because that's square root of delta. And now it's gonna be 12 plus 20, 42 divided by 2, that'll be 16. I mean, not 16. Why is it 11? Why he wrote down 11? Hold up. It's gonna be 12 plus 20, that's 32 divided by 2. That's like 16, why I wrote down 11? Am I missing something? Looks like I'm not missing anything. Maybe he thought that it's 22 divided by 2. That's how you get that. Anyways, it's like most of the same thing. It's not playing a big role in terms of understanding, but of course, in terms of points, that's gonna take up some points, so that's not exactly great. So minus 4, 11, place it like that. It goes like this because it's, it goes like up because, I don't know, smaller than 0. We got minus there. Maybe later I understand this, like with the minuses and stuff. 12 there. Why you put a 12? That's like the other stuff. Oh, he like binds the stuff. So minus 4 till 11. And he put that with a 12, so he basically combined the graphs and he got this. Okay, that's understandable. Have a nice day. So we got like from minus 4 till 0. minus 4 is normal parentheses and 0 with square parentheses. Okay, so that's how you do it. That's essentially how you do it. And we're gonna move on from here. So now he reads the chat, questions and stuff. I don't have anything to read like questions and stuff. So I'll just move on from here. Probably gonna do this one. So he's trying to do it like in this view. That's interesting. But anyways, it's like matrices, like you know, is done. I explained this before. Above this first line, second line, and then you just multiply diagonally first three and then the other three. He's gonna do this like he does every time. He does this all of the time. So yeah, you're gonna have like first one 12, and then that one is gonna be like 2x to the second power plus 4x, and then multiply that, and then the third one is 0. And now you do minus and in parentheses, the same thing with all that stuff, what he highlights with green right there. So x minus 1, 1, and 4. Now 0 of that is obviously gonna be 0. And now this stuff, 2 times 3 times 2x, and you basically solve like that. All of this is equal to 0. You should get like a quadratic and basically solve it in the end. Now he got basically what I got for x. Now multiply that by x minus 1. There we got a 0. We put a minus, and we're gonna have to switch all terms. And in the end, so we got 4x minus 4. Okay. Now plus 0 plus 12x equal to 0. Now multiply everything. It's going to be 2x third power, 2 minus 2x second power, plus 4x to the second power, minus 4x. Now we just change the sign. Plus 4 minus 12x, because sign change. Boom. Yeah. So come on, let's go. Change the sign and stuff. That's gonna be equal to 0. Now we got 2x third power minus 2x second power plus 4x second power. So that's the terms of x. We're gonna work with that. 2x third power. So essentially there we have plus 2x second power. Now we have minus 20x, right? Because minus 8 minus 12. And lastly, we got a 12 and a 4, so that's plus 16 equal to 0. Now we cannot do this quadratic because we got like to the third power at the beginning, so we're gonna have to do it like slightly different. I'm trying to read the subtitles, understand how this is done. let's see. So basically, you moved on, I think, because that's too complicated. Um, so, I mean, that stuff right there, I think it could be solved, but anyways, it's pretty complicated. You have to do like divide that fraction to another fraction and so on. So why do you need that? Now here you gotta find what we have from the division of this fraction by that fraction if p and on 2 is equal to 4. Now here, I mean, yeah, we got this fraction, and I guess like you just put instead of x you just put 2 and you equate to 4, and then you basically put value divided by x minus 1 and you get it something like this. So let's see it. 2 to the power 4 plus m times 2 to the power plus 2. So basically, like I said, we plug in the 2, like Top Gear once plugged in that bookhead in the Ferrari Enzo episode. So 2 to the power 4 by 16 plus 8m or m8 BMW m8. Now we already got 8 minus 8, so that's basically cancelled out 8 minus 8. And then we got also, I mean, he got the minus 4 to the left and equal to 0. That's cancelled out, 8m and plus 12 because of that equal to 0. Alright, so now we've got 8m is equal with minus 12, m is equal to minus 12 divided by 8. Now we're gonna do simplification with 4, and we're gonna have minus 3 divided by 2. Yes, this is what we have. Alright. Closing this one out. Put it right there. Now let's move on. That's first step. Now, like we know m. Let's see the second step. Now instead of m, we're gonna write down what we got. Alright, so boom. Now we gotta do like the division to x minus 1, something like this. X minus 1 is equal to 0, so basically we gotta equal that to 0. So x is 1. So now we gotta got 1, we gotta do p of 1. We do know the m, we know the x is 1, so we plug it in like Top Gear, like I said, and then we put in the 3 divided by 2, we pop that in, plus 2, boom, minus 8, so we have 1 minus 3 divided by 2 plus 2 minus 8, and then we have basically minus 3 divided by 2 minus 5. What? Minus 5? Oh yeah, because it's 3 minus 8, so minus 5. Now I guess we're gonna do some multiplication. He got the webcam. So essentially it's gonna be like minus 10 minus 3, which is minus 14 divided by 2. Yeah, so yeah, can't really see what's there, but it's fine. So that's what I got. I mean, this one's like pretty simple. This is like 6th grade in China, so yeah, it's pretty fine. Um, so let's see what we got next. Let's see what I got next and be back. It's gonna be quick. Back. And I was trying to find exercise, so he's explaining some stuff here. So now we're gonna do this easy geometry problem. Why easy? Because it's just like not 3D, it's 2D. And 2D geometry is also like easier, but you know, it can be harder a bit sometimes. So we got like a ABC triangle. and ADB is having like AD and GB like the same length. And CAD is 30 degrees. Find how many degrees is ABC. So that's basically the denoted X angle right there. So yeah, if it's that angle, then we kind of need to understand. Oh, come on. Let me see what I got. Gotta go and pause again, sorry. So we've got like 20 more minutes of streaming for today. Hold up.